presenting the Dodge 2017 Challenger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1-year Sirius XM Guardian Trial, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, HD radio, integrated center stack radio, media hub, 2 USB, and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.